Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our last math lesson before we come back in person. Woohoo! All right, boys and girls, so today we are talking about the numbers 20 all the way through to 49. So we're talking about our 20s, our 30s, and our 40s today, okay? So we just got to move this a little bit. Now what we are going to do is we are going to count by tens, and we're going to count different numbers, right? So count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So as the number 37 with our tens and ones, you can see how many 10 sticks are there. There's 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? So there's 3. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many blocks are all together up here? 37. And we are just going to move on to our next one. You can click it. There we go. All right, so what we're going to practice is we're going to practice coloring in the number that's on the card that the little dog shows us, all right? So what's our first number that we're making with our towers and our ones? 26. So ready? So count with me. 10, 20, and then count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, boys and girls, what about the next number? Let's see what the doggy has for us. 32. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30. Count by ones. 31, 32. All right, what do you think our next number is going to be? 48. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Count by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. All right, boys and girls, so we are filling in, even though there's some that are blank, we're filling in the number from the card. All right, and that is what we are doing in your math packet. So if you would like to grab your math packet, we can go ahead and do this together. So the little boy is telling us 42. So you are going to get a crayon. And we are going to count to 42, but we're going to skip count because that's a lot faster than counting by ones. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Count by ones. 41, 42. Did we get to 42? Yes, we did. All right, the little girl is telling us 37. So let's count by tens to 30 and then count 7 more. Ready? 10, 20, 30, and then count by ones. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. All right, boys and girls, on our next page, you are counting how many. These are rows of 10, so we're going to treat these like our 10 sticks, okay? So we're going to count these by 10s and then count these by 1s, just like in our calendar. All right, ready? 10, 20, count by 1s, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27 is the number right here. All right, let's count these ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 32 is right here. All right, ready? Let's count these ones. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is right here for us. All right, boys and girls. So now what we are doing is we are circling the missing number. So Mrs. G put a hundreds chart, and you guys have a hundreds chart that you can print out and use also, okay? And you can use to find these numbers, all right? So we have the little girl that's counting 20, 21, beep, 23. So we're finding the number that's between 21 and 23. If we go over here, we can find 20 because we know where our tens are. So we go 20, 21, 22, 23. So what's the missing number? 22, which is right here. All right, the little boy is starting at 39. So we want the number that's after 39. So 39, beep, 41, 42. So let's find 39. So go here to our 30s. Oh, here's 39. Ready? 39, 40, 41, 42. So what number comes after 39? 40. So we're going to go ahead and circle 40. Now, I want you guys to do number 3 down here with the little girl on your own. It's 27, 28, 29, beep. So find it on your hundreds chart and use it to find the missing number. All right. Now, on these pages, you guys are doing the same thing to where we're filling in 29. And so what we're going to do is we're going to fill in like this. So we're going to go 10, 20, and this time we're counting on the 10 sticks, okay? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So you're coloring in all of them but one to show 29. Then you're going to do the same thing down here for 47. So we'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, and then count by ones to 47. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So all of them are colored in except the ones at the bottom. All right. You are choosing, you're counting the 10 sticks again and the ones, and you guys are figuring out which you're going to put a check in the box that shows the right answer to what the little boy is saying. So this little boy is saying 34. So count this one and count this one and put a check in the box next to the group that has 34. The same thing down here with 29. All right. And this one, you can actually go ahead and you can scribble this one out. We don't need that one. I think they made a mistake. So scribble one of the tens towers out for this one because we don't need it. All right, boys and girls, and then you're doing the missing number again, and you can use your hundreds chart, okay? And they give you the options right here. So this one starts at 22, 23. What would come next? 24, 25, 26. Okay, if you need help, use your hundreds chart. All right, boys and girls, I will see you in the classroom next week. I hope everybody has a wonderful long weekend. There's no school on Monday.